Eric with the Kleen-rite sales team, coming at you today with another foam brush option that we have. This is brought to us new here by Universal Brush, Dynamite Company, make fantastic brushes. This is a synthetic brush. A synthetic Boartex brush is how they refer to them, as a Boartex brush, synthetic bristles. Looks very, very much like the hog hair brush for about half the price. Like the other standard brushes, these are 10 inches wide. The bristles are going to be about 3 inches long. These are very pliable, these are very soft, and these are about half the price of the hog hair brushes. Now the hog hair brushes is probably, overall value-wise, is probably a little high. People really like the look, they like the value. The customers, by looking at these, unlike some of the other synthetic bristles, these look very, very similar to the hog hair style and designs. These brushes come in various different colors and designs. The part number starts FO8800. You can get it with blue, black, or red. That's going to be a completely covered, full color red, blue, or black head. And then the other part number would be an FO9800, and that also comes in blue, just like this, black, which with this bumper would be black, or the red, which would be the red bumper. Now, unlike a lot of the other Boartex brushes that we've had or brought in or in the marketplace, these are very, very soft synthetic bristles. They do not break, they do not crack, they last up good. We've had these in our washes, they're holding up very, very well, and this is another great offering brought to you by Kleen-rite. Eric with the Kleen-rite sales team, coming at you today with an update on the foam brush we talked about 2.5 months ago. This is the Universal Boartex brush that I mentioned here. About 2.5 months worth of usage. We have it in our Bay 1 here up at our car wash. If you look at the top of the head, it's all beat up. It's been used here pretty heavily for the last 2.5 months. But again, if you look at the bristles, they're fine, they're perfect. These Boartex brushes hold up over wear and tear. I highly recommend them. And if you're looking for another option besides a hog hair brush, take a look at the FO9800.
Kleen-rite.